But see, that's too perfect. That he'll be around again. That is too perfect.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my gosh, it looks like we're in this huge castle, but it says R on it instead of J.
I'm gonna go get some water from a well.
Oh, look!
Whoa. Goodness.
That's what I was looking for! What did you do? Here, Julia.
Oh!
Look, there's nothing
Oh! Oh, hello. What's your name? I'm Julia. What's yours? I'm Romeo. Oh my goodness! Ah! I want to go have some tea. Want to go inside? Sure.
Children! Juliet! Yes, Father. Oh,
It's a dwarf.
Mother and I were looking
King.
for you.
I'm sorry. I'm having tea with the king and Romeo.
Romeo, you say?
Yes, I do.
Romeo, what are you doing with my daughter?
We were going to tea.
Good man, good man. Go on, fly away like little butterflies. Silly children. What are you doing in my kingdom? Ow!
Where do they get the British accents from?
And what is your stinky daughter doing with my son? Nothing! Oh, I thought they were having tea. Seems to me that they are. Well, I hate you.
I'm gonna go to the library with Romeo. I'm gonna go. We're going to the library to search our family history.
You have something else with me right now. Juliet, little boy.
Oh my goodness! It seems that our families are together, not apart. Yes.
We've discovered that
Yes.
they're not.
Okay.
Children, come here. Give Daddy a hug. Oh, not really. Okay. Give Daddy a hug. You cannot date this woman.
Yes, we can. Yay! The end.
Take a bow. Hold hands and take a bow.
All right. Woo! Yes. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. What a lot of work went into that.
I would love a picture. We're now setting up our pose for the end.
We want the fish with the face
Let
mask.
you guys find all the balloons.
And definitely the
'cause I don't want
troll.
any to blow away in the water.
We'd like to see the fish again, please.
The fish was actually pretty good.
The fish was great.
I made the mask, just so you know.
Just
You all did an excellent job.